Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 710 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to be trying out probably like one of my favorite, if not my top favorite, types of makeup products, and that is an eyebrow pencil. I feel like I need to fill in my eyebrows if I'm going to do any makeup whatsoever. Like the other day I was running late and I only had like a minute to do my makeup, and seriously, like the one thing that I did was eyebrows. I did eyebrows and threw on a little bit of mascara, and I'm like, if that's the bare minimum that I can do, that's what I'm gonna do. But I've actually been needing a new brow pencil, so I was really excited to get these. These were actually sent to me for free by the vendor. I like to let you know when I've received a product for free, but it's my choice to make this video. Of course, my reviews are always going to be completely honest and my own thoughts and opinions. But so this is from the brand Mostory, and it's available right on Amazon, and the retail of this brow pencil is only $4.99, which I feel like is cheaper than what you can find in the drugstore. And it looks like nice packaging, so let's get into this. So it does come in this really nice box, and it comes in 3 different shades, and I have all 3 shades here, which is great because then I can swatch them. Well, let's check this out. Ooh, beautiful. This is really big too, but like in a good way. But what's cool about this is that it's different than a regular brow pencil that has like the pencil on one end and the spoolie on the other, because you get the spoolie on one end here, you get the brow pencil which twists up, and I love the shape of this. It's like, how would I even, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 sides to it makes it an octagon. But it's like long but pointy. Here you can see, like, I haven't seen a brow product in this shape before, but this makes so much sense. I love it. So then you get the pencil there, but then in the middle here, there is, oh gosh, like a sponge, and it looks like the sponge has product on it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so the sponge has product like to fill in the brows. That is so cool. Like it has like a powder on it. Wow, so you can do the spoolie, shape with the pencil, and then fill in with the sponge. Like that sponge aspect is so unique, but I love that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch of each color. So I have here Auburn, which I think of Auburn as, ooh, it doesn't say the color on it anywhere on the actual pencil. So once I take it out of the box, but so apparently that is Auburn. That looks like a medium brown to me. And then next up I have the shade Soft Brown, which is actually, now that I look at it next to the Auburn, it's a little bit less warm toned. So the Auburn is more warm toned, which makes sense for more like a reddish. So there's the Auburn, there's the Soft Brown. They're very similar. Like I feel like either of those shades could work the same way on someone that has either brown hair or auburn hair. And then I also got medium brown. I keep, like, when I first swatched them, I'm like, they don't even look any different. But then I look at them all next to each other and they actually are different. So we've got Auburn, soft brown, medium brown. And then this is just like when I was trying out the sponge of the Auburn. So I actually feel like any of these could probably work for my brows. which I'm pretty happy with. I'll be able to get use out of all of these. But let's see, I am gonna go in with, let's go in with soft brown. It really is just like kind of choosing at random because I think any of these shades are good. Okay, so I'm going to start out, actually, I realistically should start out by brushing through my brows with the spoolie. And now I'm going to shape them with the pencil. So I'm going to use the pointy end to, oh my gosh, so easy to make tiny little hair-like strokes. Wow. Yeah, and this really does look like a perfect shade match for me. So I'm going to fill in the sparse areas and help give more of a precise shape. Like I really need to shape out the front of my brows, kind of fill those in and square them out, and then I shape the arch. So I shape the top and bottom, and I am going in with such a light hand, doing quick little hair-like strokes, and it is still showing up so beautifully pigmented. Like this goes right on, so precise, so easy to use. Like I feel like this gave me already a perfect looking brow, and I didn't even blend it in. I didn't even do anything besides like a really quick little fill-in with the pencil, and it looks amazing. Like that looks like an Instagram brow right there. Wow. I am so impressed, and I am very picky about my brows, but look at that difference. And I did that so fast, so easily. What? That difference is so dramatic. And this is a $4.99 product. What? Like, I really do feel like this is a perfect color match, but I think that means any of them would be a perfect color match. So next I am gonna go in, and I always just feel like I have to do this because I have such long brow hairs that I like to take the spoolie after I've drawn in, and I just brush it through, even though this like really didn't even need to be brushed through because it wasn't chunky at all, and the hair-like strokes were so small that they blended in with my brows anyways. I'm like looking at myself in the mirror, I'm like, is that my eyebrow? Like, it looks perfect. I wish my eyebrows were like this all the time. Like, if I got my brows microbladed, this is exactly how I would want it to look. Like, are you seeing this? This brow is my masterpiece. Oh my gosh. Okay, and now I'm really excited to try out this little powder sponge. I keep trying to like pull at it, but all you have to do is just twist and it pops right off. I just kind of feel like I don't even need this, but let's just see. I mean, if you had like really sparse brows, I mean, I think the pencil would do enough at filling it in because it's so perfect at creating those hair strokes that I honestly don't even think that this sponge made a difference. Let's see though how this sponge does in my brow without the pencil. So what if I were to use the sponge before shaping it with a pencil? So I'm going in and I'm just brushing those long unruly brow hairs. And now I'm going to take the sponge I mean, this is actually great for someone that doesn't want like that Instagram brow. Don't know why you wouldn't want that. Just kidding. It is a little bit intense for a lot of people, I think. But if you just wanted to fill in your brows in a very natural way, very quickly and easily. Like you can see how fast I'm just like filling these in. This little sponge applicator, here's what it looks like. You can see that's a really easy way to just kind of disperse some product in there, make the eyebrows look a little bit more enhanced, but nothing too like dramatic or precise or crazy. So someone that's new to filling in their brows or who doesn't really want to have like I said, like very shapely, kind of false looking brows, they could just use this sponge option to fill in the brows. So easy. Wow. Okay, now I get it. Like that's why that's perfect. And so I'm just gonna go back and brush that through again. And I definitely am happy with how that looks alone, with the brow just filled in with like that powder. But I like a very precisely shaped brow. So I'm gonna finish it off with the pencil. And I tried to go in with a very light hand, but definitely like if you have darker brown eyebrows or hair, you can definitely build this up to a darker shade. I'm using soft brown right now, but it could definitely build up to a dark brown if you needed it. So I like that it's versatile like that. Like you go in with a light hand, you get a lighter brown, go in with a harder touch and it'll be darker. And there we have it. My brows are back. Okay, I am obsessed with this product. It is everything I want in a brow pencil. It's such a unique design. It's really nice. Like this is nice packaging, a nice formula. It seems high-end, but it's $4.99 from Amazon too. Like you can get your free shipping. I am so happy I have this now. This is going to be my daily brow product. Holy moly. Okay, now let's see. This is supposed to be waterproof and yeah, no transfer, no smudging. It doesn't have like the gel wax hold to it, which I wouldn't want it to, but I have such long brow hairs that I would still do my normal routine of using a brow gel on top of this to make sure my brows stay in place, because I don't like the unruly brow hair look. I want them to stay in that one direction. But wow, this product is not going to budge, which is perfect. That's what I want. That's what I need. I am so happy with this. I highly recommend checking these out. I don't have any affiliate link or coupon code or anything like that, but I will link to where you can buy these on Amazon in the description down below. But gosh, I love these. If they want to sponsor me, I would love that because I love this product. I feel like I keep going on and on about how happy I am with this, so I think you get it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.